Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can upload a folder in Google Colab. In order to do so, here we are in Cider AI, and according to Cider, to upload a folder in Google Colab, you can use a couple of methods. Here's a straightforward approach using the file upload feature of Google Colab. Method 1, using files.upload. This method allows you to upload files manually from your local machine. However, since folders can't be uploaded directly, you'll need to zip the folder first. So first, compress the folder you want into a .zip file. Upload the zip file. You can use the information here to do so. Unzip the folder. After uploading, unzip the folder using the follow command. You could take a look here. If you want to use Cider, you can have Cider answer this question for you, and then you can click on the copy here to just copy and paste this information here. You can unzip the folder after uploading. Unzip the folder using the following command, and you can hit copy there if you're using Cider. Using Google Drive, if your folder is large or you regularly need to access it, you can consider using Google Drive. So first, you're going to want to mount Google Drive, and you could do that here with the information here, or you can hit copy if you're using Cider. Copy the folder. You can then copy files or folders from your Google Drive to your Colab environment. Make sure to replace the paths as necessary. Again, you can copy here if you're using Cider. You can also use Git. If your folder is part of a Git repository, you can clone the repo directly, or you can use external links. You can download directly from external URLs using !WGET or !CURL. And again, if you want to use Cider, take a look in the description and you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll see our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. If you click on that to get started, you'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.